Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Alibaba Cloud, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To budget with Alibaba Cloud, start by logging into your Alibaba Cloud account. On the main dashboard, locate the Billing Management section. Click on Resource Usage to view your current resource consumption. Familiarize yourself with the different resource types you are using. Next, navigate. Here, you will see various cost analysis options available to you. Select Cost Breakdown to analyze your expenses by service type. This will provide insights into which services are consuming the most budget. For more detailed insights, choose the Cost Forecast feature. This tool estimates your future expenses based on current usage trends. To set a budget, go back to the Cost Management section. Click on Budgets and then select Create Budget. Input your desired budget amount and specify the billing cycle. Choose the resources and services you want to include in this budget. Set up alerts to notify you when you approach your budget limit. After configuring alerts, review your settings and click Confirm. Finally, regularly monitor your budget status in the Budget section. This will help ensure you stay within your planned budget. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your budget with Alibaba Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.